Today we're looking for hidden Pokemon cards. We found some last week. Let's see if we can do it again. A lot of Surging Sparks in stock. What do we have here? More Surging Sparks, yes. Triple pack. Stellar Crown Boosters, again, for $27. Surging Sparks ETBs, lots in stock here. Looks like only 2 have been sold so far. Our Charizard EX, our Electrodes in stock. I'm looking for like the Arceus tins if they have them, but I don't think they're going to. Looks like someone's had a little peek over here. I gotta get this sign out of my way. A24. You guys go and check these. Try to put them back for people so they look nice, you know? A24. A24 again. Anything back behind here? No. Let's talk about these Surging Sparks ETBs really quick. There are 9 booster packs. You have this Magneton promo, which is really nice. Let's see, 65 card sleeves, energy pack, your dice. So the only difference between this and the Pokemon Center one is that there'll be a little Pokemon Center logo there next to Overvolt Discharge. And of course the back section is always sold out at this particular Target. I really like what they're doing with these new Ninja Turtles. The Mutant Mayhem stuff looks cool. Like, come on, dude. They locked up all the good underwear, guys. Good days are over. Target still has the red balls in stock if you're looking for giant red balls too. It was nice to see Surging Sparks is finally sitting on shelves, but what I'm really after is 151 and Evolving Skies. Let's head over to Walmart and see what they have in stock. Okay, this Walmart is actually really well stocked for the first time ever. You have your Grand Collection here. You have your Ursula Luna in stock. Here's something I haven't seen in stores, the Celebration Deck Box. That's pretty cool. Holds 100 double-sleeved cards. Wow. And here we are back over at the back section of the Walmart. A couple Squirtles looking over us as we browse. What do we have here? The Jirachi V-Box? I never got to get one of these. I might have to get this. I'll think about it. It's also funny, they have this Crown Zenith ETB for $55 here for some reason. Very strange to see this in the wild. That's not really a good price for it, in my opinion. E22? I don't ever see these. Guys, we may have found the grail we were looking for. E22, this might have Evolving Skies in it. Let's take it home and open it up. A24, 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 A24. Oh my goodness. Not all of you can come with me. One must go. Who will be cut? Jirachi V, the Evolving Skies, Pokeball, the Pikachu tin. Who should I cut? Let me know in the comments. Did you guys let me know who you would cut? As I was walking out, what did I run into? But these Tyranitar EX box collections, what do you call these? Premium collection? I always forget. And then you have these Tesserina EX. These are nice looking sets. How many packs do you have? 6. You have the promos, you have little sleeves, and this thing here, the blue thing, is like a little card holder. 6 packs as well in the Tyranitar. You got your 3 promos, your Larvitar, Pupitar, and your Tyranitar EX, and then you also have the holder here in the back. These all seem to have, what, 2 Twilight Masquerades and a couple older Scarlet and Violet sets, but it's not going to be an amazing value. That's about $3.30 per pack, which is, you know, pretty good if you're just buying these to rip. I would say this is a good rip purchase. Not gonna lie, that hits pretty hard right there, the sleeves. The Tesserina has 2 Twilight Masquerade. It looks like Stellar Crown is in here. But yeah, nothing really super rare. At $3.30 per pack, you know, you're doing about the best you can at MSRP for this collection. For $20, I'd say that's worth picking up. Just to rip. Goodbye, Pikachu. I enjoyed our time we spent together, but I don't think this is going to be the day that I get you. I have other packs that I need to take home with me. Jirachi, are you happy that I picked you? Oh, don't cry. Y'all like 2 little peas in a pod. Y'all be good back here, okay? We have made our triumphant return home with the E22 Pokeball. What is inside? Let's find out. Guys, I've never opened one of these E22 Pokeballs. I've never opened a single one of these Pokeballs. Here we are. This will proudly display on the shelf behind us as our trophy, as our testament to the trials that we have endured throughout our times at Walmart, at Target, at Best Buy, Sam's Club, GameStop. The list goes on.
Yet we are here with the Pokeball that we sought after, and now we shall reap what we have sown. Yes. Oh God. Why is it so hard to open? You guys see what it is? The first pack. Oh no, why? Not a strong start. We can overcome this. The second pack. What? Obsidian flames? No! Our last hope. It looks like it's going to be obsidian flames by the back of this. Here we go. How damn! Well, at least we get a Quaxley coin out of it. We're going to put this up on the wall of shame. Here it shall remain. Until we find a good Pokeball, we're going to have to look at that Pokeball every YouTube video. I kind of already hate it being there. Well, we got 3 packs. Let's do the pack lottery and see what pack we're going to pull from. I'm going to pull this one here, and we got Obsidian Flames. Let's see what we find inside.
Let's head over to Walmart and see what they have in stock. All right, let's check out these Pokeballs. A24, A24. Come on. Oh, A24. Another one. I'm thinking we got all A24s. Look at that. That's new. I haven't seen tins hanging here before. Interesting. We do have the Moltres in stock. Has Paldean Fates inside. Oh, we have Articuno as well. And a Zapdos. Hey, whole set. Hey, that's a nice find. You have your Crown Zenith ETBs. And they have some of these Jirachi boxes in stock. These look pretty good. What are you going with? Starburst? Skittles? Ew, Lifesavers? Blech. Oh, I missed these tins. They have these Crown Zenith tins in stock. I really like the look of these tins. And these here are Shrouded Fable. The more purple ones are Shrouded Fable, the more like green ones are going to be Crown Zenith. I would recommend investing in these coloring books, but they're too hard. I can't do drawing the lines too good. So as I was looking over here, I did notice actually maybe a hidden item here. What is this? Collector's box. Stores up to 500 sleeves. This looks pretty cool. It's an official Pokemon item, but I've never seen this. Ultra Pro. So here's our quick run at Walgreens. We have the Salamence and the Dragonite tins in stock for $15.99. You're going to find 2 Lost Origins and 1 Silver Tempest inside. So, not a bad deal as far as value is concerned. Lost Origins are about $5 and Silver Tempest is about $4. Let's head over to Target and see what they have in stock. All right, guys, we are at a new Target. Looks like we have some Surging Sparks in stock. Terra Team Collection. I haven't seen these Stellar Crown packs in a little while. We have our Paradox Rift and Temporal Forces tins. You have a Shrouded Fable and Ogerpon in a big mess. More Shrouded Fable. The Houndstone EX Collection and Palafin. Nobody really wants these things right now, and probably for good reason. Here's the Ursaluna in stock for $21.99. I don't have my special fancy camera set up right now, guys, so we're gonna do it old school. We got Temple. We got Sunskirt. We got Numenori. We got the Doggy Boy. Diggersby. That's such an ugly card. We got Double Doggy Boy, Houndstone. Doug Trio, Triple Doggy, Bronzong. Bronzor, hey! Combo. Combo. And we have our Entei. That's all, folks. Our Entei. One of the legendary dogs. You can't go wrong with the legendary dogs. If you guys like this video, please do give me a thumbs up and let me know you're liking this kind of content. Subscribe if you haven't. And if you want to talk more Pokemon, join the Discord down in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.